So we went offshore about 2 months ago, 2 or 3 months ago, and had issues with this engine, didn't know what it was. As you can see, it runs fine. It idles up pretty good. Idles up really good. But after we got offshore and started running, it runs fine. Went to idle it back and it quit. Everything quit on it. Wouldn't run, wouldn't start, wouldn't do nothing. And it turned out to be this. Bad fuel pump. So if you ever have that problem, the engine won't run and won't start back up, it runs fine, but then you're having issues with it, check your fuel pump. The diaphragm went bad evidently, and it's leaking a little bit of fuel. Like I said, the engine's running fine right now, but 100% fuel pump. So anyway, that's just a little tip for you guys. Boom.